Hello, good afternoon, investor and corporate. Welcome to Set Digital Roadshow third quarter 2022 performance review. This section will run about 45 minutes, including Q&A. Company will start the section by 30-minute presentation, followed by 15-minute Q&A. And during Q&A, investor may leave your question in meeting room chat box or use raise your hand function. We will open your microphone so you can ask the question to the company directly. So may I now invite Thailand Insurance Public Company Limited to start the presentation, please. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Thai Life Insurance third quarter result. Today our presentation will focus primarily on key highlights, key business performance and update, and key financials. Let me introduce our esteemed speakers for today's presentation. Mr. Michael Hieng Lee, Chief Financial Officer, will present on key highlights.
Good afternoon to you.
Mr. Chor Ee Tan, Chief Digital Transformation Officer, will present on key business performance and update.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Chi Ling Yang, Chief Actuary, will present on key financials.
Good afternoon.
I will pass on to Mr. Michael for key highlights.
Good afternoon to you again. I am pleased to report to you that the momentum driving our impressive performance in the first half of this year has taken us to a higher ground in the third quarter of this year. In the first 9 months of this year, our APE of 9.6 billion achieved a growth of 26% against the same period of last year, while VONB of 5.2 billion baht continued to increase favorably at 29% over the same period. This VONB growth is higher than the 24% reported in the last quarter. We also enjoy a pickup of our VONB margin to 53.4% in the 9 months of this year compared to 51.5% reported in the last quarter. Our market share grew to 14.1% as our premium written continued to increase more than the industry over the third quarter. We registered a net profit for the period of slightly above 8 billion baht. The small year-on-year decline was largely driven by the medical claim and the new business strain as a result of our stronger new business growth. We continue to record strong APE and VONB growth for all our major channels. Our agency channel enjoyed a growth of 19% as we were able to sustain our effort to shift toward less interest rate sensitive products. Its VONB amount has likewise increased by a healthy 25%. Our partnership channel also continued to record a strong new business growth as our partners are able to operate their businesses more effectively post-COVID-19 lockdown. Our product strategy has been to move toward less interest rate sensitive basic plan comprising participating and investment linked products to help us sustain our VONB margin. We have successfully increased our APE for such plan from 14.6% to 17.8% for the period of the first 9 months. As a result of our strong effort on product governance, we are able to increase our VONB margin further from 51.9% in the first 9 months of last year to 53.4% in the same period of this year. The industry continued to register a decline in total premium by 0.3%, but we were able to experience a positive growth of 2.2% compared to the same period of last year. As a result, Thai Life gained shares of wallet in the first 9 months of this year relative to the industry, from 13.8% in the first 9 months of last year to 14.1% in the same period of this year. Now let me pass on to Khun Chor Ee to present key business performance and update.
Thanks, Michael. Moving on to business performance. Our agency delivered the first 9 months of this year, AP at 6.5 billion baht, grew by 19% from the same period last year. due to gaining sales momentum from Thailand economic recovery and our marketing campaign driving sales of profitable products, participating and health package of products. We maintain the leadership position in agency channel with agency market share at 17% compared to 16% same period last year, and continue to shift our product mix towards high-value products. The upcountry region still presents a massive white space market with a high growth potential. Our agency delivered the first 9 months of this year gross written premium generated in upcountry regions at 66% compared to 63% same period last year. This is because customer purchasing power in this region is gradually improving, supported by Thailand economic recovery and our strategy to build a close engagement with people in this region through sales campaign and event activities. Even though rider attachment rate maintained at 58%, we can see an increase in the health rider proportion compared to the same period last year, as we focus on promoting health package products in response to increasing health awareness among Thai people. The number of our unit managers or above increased to almost 25,000 in line with the plan as a result of campaigns and competitions for building agency team, as well as our agency's strong sales productivity improvement. The number of e-application submission as of Q3 this year has risen to 87% of total policy submission compared to 81% back in December last year. This shows our effort to transform agents to be digital agent and continue to promote e-application adoption by changing mindset and uplifting digital skills of our agent. In accordance with our product strategy, we continue to emphasize on high growth, high value product segments. In August, we launched the new rider in Life Fit program, namely Health Fit DD, targeting customers who would like to get premium discount and earn additional benefits by joining our Life Fit wellness program activities. We also launched one new participating products in September in agency channel to offer more choices and create better experience for our customers. In addition, participating products, one of our high value products, start to gain a majority share in agency channel in response to the rising interest rate environment and the high customer demand. Moving on to partnership and alternative channels, we delivered impressive APE growth in partnership and alternative channel at 42% year-on-year as a result of a rebound in sales activity from COVID-19 situation in all channels and a successful execution of product strategies with our partners. The partnership channel had an impressive APE growth of 46% in the first 9 months of this year due to strong sales growth from commercial banks, government banks, and leasing and hire purchase channel. Starting from a commercial bank channel, the sales growth came from Bay and TCRB as we push APE growth for each strategic partner with our strategic products, and sales activity is finally picking up. In addition, we continue to promote digital sales tools usage and enhance the digital sales tool to support partners' digital initiative. For government banks and organization channel, credit life product sales increased in line with the rise in home loan demand during economic recovery. For leasing and hire purchase, we have a strong sales momentum, mainly from the sales improvement in the automobile industry. Moreover, we are conducting a digital initiative with strategic partners to expand sales volume. The alternative channel had an increase APE by 26% in the first 9 months of this year as a result of better management of telemarketing and a sales rebound in group insurance market. For telemarketing, the increased growth mainly came from the higher productivity from in-house telesales TSR team as a result of effective management and new sales model. For e-commerce, we are still improving sales process to be more efficient in order to attract prospects' interest and developing new innovative products to penetrate new targeted segments. In terms of new products, we launched a new participating product package with a critical illness coverage for a commercial bank in September. We plan to develop more participating products and expand to other partners. Thai Life Insurance recently partnered with and signed an MOU with Eisai, the world's leading pharmaceutical research and development company, to promote understanding, prevention, and access to treatment of Alzheimer's disease and dementia in Thailand. Corresponding to the fact that Thailand is entering to an aging society, we aim to develop insurance products for the purpose of assisting Alzheimer's disease patients, especially those in the early and intermediate stages. Our goal is to improve the quality of life of patients, their families, and the society as a whole, aligning with our business purpose to be the life solution provider. The business outcomes which we benefited from this collaboration may include: first, we would like to be the leading life insurance company in Thailand to provide insurance solutions to cover all stages of Alzheimer's disease in order to have the best alternative treatments for patients and reduce the long-term family's financial burden. This will also fulfill our existing product gap for our senior segment. Second, we would like to create a health ecosystem for the Alzheimer's disease among the related parties in order to raise awareness and promote good health and well-being for Thai people. The ultimate goal is to provide a holistic health solutions for the patients and their families in both prevention and treatment. Next, I would like to pass on to Siling to present our financial performance.
Thank you, Choi. Thailand has sustained our financial performance through the third quarter of this year. While our top-line revenue had benefited from higher premium income from new business, our bottom-line net profit slightly declined by 2% to 8 billion baht due to higher medical claim and incur more new business from our strong growing new business. Nevertheless, as indicated by our healthy VONB margin, the new business will start generating strong profit from subsequent years. Our return on average investment, asset, and equity for the first 9 months of this year are all comparable to the same period of last year. Our investment portfolio has increased during the third quarter due to the proceeds from IPO. It has remained well diversified and being managed cautiously. Our capital adequacy ratio as of September this year increased to 358%, remain well above the regulatory minimum of 140%. As you can see, our sustainability has been founded on a robust capital position. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening, and now we are happy to take the questions.
If there is no question, then we would like to conclude this session. If you have any question later, you can contact us at IR email investor.relations@thailife.com. And once again, thank you for attending our presentation today. We really appreciate your support. Take care.